Hi, I'm Lou and I have a problem with candy thieves. So I'll build a simple box out of 6 pieces of wood. I used pin hinges and there's a handle. I'll lock it with this little RFID door latch that works like this. It works with this card or this keychain dongle. I wanted something that was easy to keep with me all the time, so I got this RFID ring. We're gonna mount this latch piece right in here. So we just line it up right there and screw it in. There's that installed. It's hard to know where to mount this to line it up with the latch. So I'll stick a piece of wire in the hole so this screw goes in and holds tight. It's latched on with 2 screws sticking out, and I'll just slam the door. And the screws mark my holes there and there. There it is, installed and latched. And you can't open it unless you hit it with the ring. In goes the candy. And we lock the door. And I've stopped my candy thieves. I finally got them. They can't get in the safe. Thanks for watching.